Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to import a subscriber list into Clickfunnels. This is useful when we want to bring in our existing contacts and start engaging them through our funnels. Let's get started on the Clickfunnels dashboard. To import our contacts or subscribers, all we need to do is click the customer icon in the upper left part of the screen. This is where we can see our contacts. Once we click on customers, the contacts section will open up. From here, we go to our contacts and look for the subscribers section. Here, we can see all the subscribers in our contacts, along with the import option. We just need to click the import button, then select the new import option to start bringing our contacts into Clickfunnels. Once the import starts, we need to upload a file from our computer. We locate our CSV file and then click Upload and Continue. We just follow the prompts from there to complete the process. The reason we do this is to keep all our lead data in one place. This lets us use our existing lists for email marketing, follow-up funnels, and contact segmentation, all without needing a separate email provider. We can also add custom fields like phone numbers and contact details to keep everything organized. And that's how we import a subscriber list in Clickfunnels. With just a few simple steps, we can connect with our audience and grow our campaigns.